Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee. A definition. It is a policy framing, advisory, educational body on matters related to rational use of drug in hospital. It consists of members of various departments of hospital like physician, pharmacist, etc. It acts as a line of communication between medical staff and pharmacy department. Objectives or purposes of PTC. There are two objectives. Advisory. First, advisory. PTC develops the policy regarding selection of the drug to the use in the hospital. PTC formulates the policies related to the selection, prescription, and administration of drug in the hospital. PTC also helps in monitoring ADR. Second objective, educational. PTC helps in organizing the programs for healthcare professionals so as to update their current knowledge regarding the drug and its uses. Role of PTC or function or scope of PTC. That means what is the role of PTC? First, to advise the medical staff regarding the safe use of drug, to prepare a hospital formulary which is to be used in hospital, to plan and conduct different educational program. These are the some roles of PTC and functions. Next, for improving medical staff in relation to use of drug, to review and to detect ADR, to develop policies for drug safety, to advise the pharmacy department regarding effective drug distribution and drug control, to minimize duplication of drug, to prepare the list of drugs which are non-moving from the pharmacy department, to prepare the list of drugs which must be stocked in hospital wards or at nursing sessions. Composition or organization of PTC. The composition of PTC changes from hospital to hospital depending on size of hospital. PTC should be composed of at least 3 physicians. One will be chairman, a chief pharmacist, secretary, a nurse representative, joint secretary. Fourth, the hospital administrator. The committee should conduct meetings. The number and frequency of meetings depends on size of hospital and variety of drug use. The committee meeting should be conducted at least 6 times per year and also whenever necessary. The agenda of a meeting should be prepared by secretary and it should be submitted to board of directors. That means 1 year में 6 बार meetings होते हैं. The committee members of sufficient time before the meeting. The secretary of PTC should also prepare the minutes of meetings and should maintain its record. The decisions taken by the PTC should be presented to the medical staff of hospital. These are the simple formats. These are the simple formats of components of the policies of PTC. PTC should prepare different policies for the control of use of drug in the hospital. PTC should properly evaluate the drug before adding it in hospital formulary. PTC should classify the selected and approved drug into different categories like hospital formulary drug, non-formulary drug, drug approved on a trial response for scientific period of time, response for a specific period of time, not a scientific period of time, etc. Hospital formulary drug, non-formulary drug, etc. C. PTC is responsible for preparing the rule and regulation for representatives of pharma companies visiting to hospital. PTC should prepare the policy stating that only pharmacist and pharmacy department are authorized for dispensing of drugs. After receiving the drug, recall notice that particular drug should be removed from all the department of hospital and should be replaced. The proposal of new drug for including in hospital formulary should be submitted to the pharmacy department of hospital. Role of PTC in drug safety. PTC plays important role in ensuring drug safety in hospital. PTC should appoint only qualified and registered pharmacist as chief pharmacist and his assistant will be diploma holders. Hospital should not allow any person for dispensing of drug other than pharmacist. That means only pharmacist to be dispense the medicine, not other persons of hospital. Third, sufficient number of qualified pharmacists should be appointed for working in pharmacy department. Hospital should provide adequate working space and storage facility for pharmacy department. Hospital should provide adequate equipment in good condition for safe of pharmacist. A drug formulary should be prepared by PTC and should be revised periodically. Poisonous material should be separated from non-poisonous material in pharmacy department. Fourth, 8. External use preparation should be kept separately from internal use preparation pharmacy department. The pharmacy department should have adequate reference library which contains textbooks, journals, reference book, etc. The empty transfusion bottle it should be never allowed for collection of urine sample or storage of antiseptic solution. All nursing drug stations should be periodically inspected for removing deteriorated and outdated drugs. Role of PTC in ADR monitoring. It is commonly observed that due to the recent advances in drug therapy, chances of, adverse drug reaction get increased. In that ADR, what is the role of pharmacy and therapeutic committee? These are follows. ADR is any unexpected harmful reaction of drug. Hence, it is responsibility of PTC to minimize the ADR. The detected ADR should be reported to chairman of PTC. Then a nurse or pharmacist should prepare its report form and should be submitted to chairman of PTC. PTC should also interact with bodies like FDA and other government bodies. Perform reporting ADR in India. Followings are the pro pharma of PTC, which are pro pharma for monitoring of ADR in India. Center name, serial number, hospital reference number, name of the patient, types of the patient, either patient inpatient or outpatient, address, age, sex, body weight, occupation, dietary habits, smoking, alcohol drinking habit, family history, relevant medical history like allergy, sign and symptoms, date of treatment starts and ends, etc. Treatment schedule, that means drug information, name, route, duration, and use of OTC drugs. सो फ्रेंड्स ये वीडियो आपको कैसे लगा कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताना और आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो इस चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।